if you don't ski frequently, I think you can't ski well.
Well, last year we didn't ski much with all the terrible lack of snow.
What about this year?
I hope it's going to be better this year. We're doing 2 ski trips this year.
To where?
One for we go every year to Aspen with this one group.
Mm-hmm.
Then the other one's Winter Park, which I've never been to.
Yeah, Aspen's beautiful.
It is. I think it'd be nice out there in the summertime too. Lots of nice hiking trails and things like that.
Yeah.
We tried a snowshoe, but we rented snowshoes, but we were mostly walking on pavement. It was terrible.
Yeah, during the summer they have the music festival,
Mm-hmm.
and they have the Aspen Institute where they have amazing speakers.
They have that winter school. Ooh, we always go out there for the winter school, this group that goes there.
Where they have lectures.
They have like parties and stuff,
Oh.
events, events more than lectures. You have to go there deep, huh?
No, I'm not gonna go any further back,
Oh,
I'm just
good.
gonna clean this out,
Okay.
and then we'll thin it out with the sander.
Yeah. I was talking to my cousin this morning, and she has the same problem. She said she has a sander. I said, well, I don't think I'm gonna ever try that myself. She said, you should probably sand your skin. I think I would too.
Right, I have a much better vantage point from down here.
I know. I can cut those a little bit, but I don't do a very good job. I have the same kind of clippers you're using now for that one.
It's just dead skin in there.
And I think the pedicures what I need.
Yeah. Yep, because pedicures do a very different job than we do.
They clean it up nicely.
They make it look pretty,
They
yep.
do.
I make it feel good, they make it look pretty.
And they probably are healthy too, aren't they? Wouldn't they be good for your toes?
What, pedicures?
Yeah. Or would that make a difference?
Well, you know, a lot of people will come and tell me that they think they got the fungus from a pedicure. So you want to find a place where they actually sterilize their instruments in between clients. And that's not easy to find.
Yeah, I'm sure. Well, you also thought that this could have come from me stubbing my toe in that bathtub.
It could, right,
You know,
so-
which I do.
Right, so this could be thick from a fungal infection, it could also just be thick from trauma.
I would go with trauma on this one.
Yep. Some old nail polish here.
I don't know, I haven't done it since the last time I was here, probably. I'm not gonna put any more nail polish on it. I don't think it's good for them. And I wear socks all the time, which I should air them out more, and I don't.
Yeah, there's really no shoulds about that.
You know, I even wear them to bed at night. I never take them off.
You have cold feet?
I do. try to clean that, I just can't get to it.
It's just dead skin. It's not something you would be expected to get to and clean on your own.
I wanted to ask you about compression hose too while I'm thinking about it.
Yes.
Last time I flew, it was, long distance, my legs really puffed up for the first time.
Okay.
And is there anything that you recommend?
Yeah, any low pressure compression socks.
So you want a low pressure?
Yeah, you can get the ones you can get over the counter. You can get them right at the drugstore.
Uh-huh.
And so for the low pressure ones, that would be the place to start. And then if you find that you need more, you can always get prescription ones that are heavier pressure.
Yeah, I don't know what I would need.
Like the TED stockings they give people after surgery? That's probably all you would need.
Okay.
And you put it on before you fly.
Wait, are you supposed to put those on before you get up in the morning?
Well, if you have a chronic swelling issue.
Oh, okay, I don't.
But if you're gonna do it before you fly, then you put them on before you, that morning before you get on the plane.
Okay.
And that can help. Getting up and walking around will help.
Mm-hmm. I always try to do that. Try to get an aisle seat.
Yep. Where are you headed next?
Lisbon,
Nice.
Portugal. We're gonna bike. That's not till September.
All right, well, these look good for the next 6 months.
Oh, good. Yeah, it seems like that's about the right timing. So I'm thinking 6 months from now I will be gone. That's when our trip is.
Okay, so come in before you go?
Before I go, that'd be like maybe even August, that'd be like a little bit earlier,
Yeah.
which might be good. I can put those on.
Yeah, when I put lotion on, now that we have floors instead of carpets,
Oh, yeah.
I don't want any of my
The emotional.
elderly no, it's not that, it's I don't want any of my 98-year-old ladies slipping on the floor.